Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, this is a very important lecture. Today discuss here a gland design. Okay, this body is a design here a gland, and this is a gland design and how to this body is designed and how to use this assemble body, and this is a gland body and how to this body is designed. And guys, this is a 2D drafting is also available here, and this is a front view and this is a right view and this is a top view, and all view is a you can see here, and all dimension you can see here easily, and all dimension in millimeter. And this body is designed here isometric view. Okay, and this is a stop wall project and how, and at first one by one all part is separate here, one by one is drawing here, and last is this body is assemble here. Okay, this body is designed and how to this body is designed easily and clearly, help of 2D drafting. And this is a very nice looking here. Okay, this is a all view is perfect and correct, and this is a perfect, and isometric view is also this is a perfect looking here. Okay, and this body is designed easily and clearly. Let's start here this body is design. Okay, at first select this part, and some setting is very important. This setting is a plain white, and going to this option and going to this document properties, and image quality is very high. Okay, this is a because all geometry line is looking perfect. Okay, at first select at first you can see here 2D drafting is also available here, and okay, this is a perfect, this is a front view and this is a top view. And okay, this length is a 30 millimeter, and this a small circle is drawing here a 12 millimeter. This 12 millimeter and this 12 millimeter is same, and this is a length is a 38 millimeter, and this is a 28 millimeter is diameter, and this is a same, and full length is a 88 millimeter, and this length is a 62 millimeter. Okay, and this is a 56 millimeter, and this length is a this radius is 28 millimeter, and this diameter is 56 millimeter. Okay, and this is a fillet is used here, a radius is 50 millimeter. Okay, one by one is all point is, and this angle is 60-degree angle, and this thickness is 12 millimeter. Okay, at first drawing a top plane, select here and draw a reference line. A two line is a drawing here easily. At first drawing a two okay, this line is a this point, and this line is a okay coincident, and this line is a vertical. Okay, and again select a line, then this line is a this to this. Okay, this line to this, and this is a also relation is coincident, and this is a horizontal. Okay, all is perfect, and select a two circle is drawing here this line one by one. Okay, and mention dimension, and this dimension is this is a 12 millimeter, and this is a 38 millimeter. Okay, this is a 38 millimeter, and this is a 12 millimeter. Okay, two circle is a drawing here easily, and then again select again click line, select a line, and line is a drawing here this is a tangent. Okay, this line is a tangent line, and this line is selected and going to this mirror entities and mirror about this line. Okay, and all is perfect, and again select above all is select here, going to mirror entities and select about this. Okay, all is select here. Okay, all is select here this line, and okay, and going to mirror. Okay, again select this line. Okay, mirror about this line is a perfect, and click OK, and mention a dimension is this point, and this point okay, and this circle is also mirror is this okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this point. Okay, line is this line is a drawing here this okay, and this line is a this okay, and this dimension this point, and press a control button and select this point, and this distance is 88 millimeter, and this point to this point distance is 62 millimeter. Okay, okay, all is perfect, and correct, okay, and this is a perfect and correct, okay, all is perfect, this is 38 millimeter, and this is a 88 millimeter and 62 millimeter. This circle is drawing here this is a 12 millimeter. Okay, all is perfect, and again select a midpoint and draw a circle. So this select this circle, and this diameter is a 20 millimeter, 28 millimeter is perfect, and all is a black color, means this is a fully defined, and this circle is drawing here a 28 millimeter is this okay, and going to this extrude boss base and select all. Okay, this is a perfect and correct, and this thickness is a 12 millimeter. Okay, okay, and use this fillet. This fillet is used here, and 50 millimeter, and select a 1 by 1 both side edge and click OK. Okay, and this is perfect, and again select this line is this this part is a drawing here, and upper part is easily drawing here, and this distance is a 28 millimeter, and this angle is 60-degree angle. Okay, and all is perfect, okay, and this length is 30 millimeter. Okay, and again select okay, select a top plane, this is a front plane, sketch normal, reference line is center line is drawing here, line is a simple, this line is drawing here, this geometry is showing here this and this geometry is drawing here easily, and this to connect to this. Okay, and select this body is going to this wireframe. Okay, and perfect, and select this point and press a control button, and this line is a selector, and this use a make appears. Okay, and going to normal. Okay, and mention a dimension. This dimension is a 30 millimeter. Okay, and this point select this 28 millimeter is radius, and this angle is a 60-degree angle. Okay, okay, this angle is 60-degree, and okay, all is perfect. Going to this and this angle is also okay, and okay, okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, all is perfect, and all is black color means all is fully defined. And going to this a revolve boss base, and this preview is showing here, and this going to this and make this body is a okay, and okay, okay, this body is drawing here easily and clearly, and all geometry is used here, and all line is drawing here easily. Okay, all is a perfect and correct, and all geometry dimension is a use here. And select a material going to this appearance, and metal and nickel polished nickel is a this okay, all is a perfect and correct. Okay, all is okay, and isometric view is also perfect. Okay, okay. Guys, I hope you will learn all point is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, at first select, guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.